Imagine eating foods that actually help you shed those extra pounds. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, you're about to discover 10 surprising foods that not only satisfy your cravings, but also work wonders for your weight loss journey. Stick around because number 10 is a real game changer. Avocados. You might think they're high in fat, but did you know it's the good kind? Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which keep you full longer and reduce overeating. Chili peppers. The secret here is capsaicin, a compound that boosts metabolism and helps your body burn more calories. Adding a bit of spice to your meals can make a big difference. Eggs. High in protein and low in calories, eggs are a fantastic way to start your day. They keep you full, helping you avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt not only keeps hunger at bay but also promotes a healthy gut, which plays a crucial role in weight management. Oats. Packed with fiber, oats slow down digestion and keep you satisfied for hours. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Nuts. Contrary to what you might think, nuts like almonds and walnuts can be great for weight loss. They're nutrient-dense and perfect for curbing hunger between meals. Leafy greens. Low in calories but high in volume, leafy greens like spinach and kale help you fill up your plate without adding extra pounds. They're also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Salmon. Packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps control hunger hormones and supports fat burning. Green tea. This powerhouse drink is loaded with antioxidants and compounds that speed up fat burning. A cup or two a day can give your metabolism a gentle boost. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate in moderation can reduce cravings for sweets and promote feelings of fullness. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that benefit your overall health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. But remember, it's all about balance and consistency. If you're curious about other ways to boost your results, there's another video waiting for you that dives deeper into meal planning and strategies for long-term success. Want to achieve your weight loss goals quickly and effectively? Discover the product that's changing lives. Click the link in the description and start your journey to your ideal weight today. See you in the next video.